Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very tricky math problem in which we are given certain equation and we have to find the value of 7 raised to power x minus y plus 7 raised to power y minus x. So we are given 7 raised to power x plus 7 raised to power y equals to 10. Name this equation as 1 and 7 raised to power x plus y equals to 5. Now name this equation as 2. So from equation 1 we have 7 raised to power x plus 7 raised to power y equals to 10. Take square on both sides, we get 7 raised to power x plus 7 raised to power y whole square equals to 10 raised to power 2. Now on solving this we get 7 raised to power x bracket 2 plus 7 raised to power y bracket 2 plus 2 times 7 raised to power x times 7 raised to power y equals to 100. As we know, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So on solving further, we get 7 raised to power 2x plus 7 raised to power 2y plus 2 times 7 raised to power x plus y equals to 100. And we already know the value of 7 raised to power x plus y, that is 5, from equation 2. So substitute the value of it, we get 7 raised to power 2x plus 7 raised to power 2y plus 2 times 5 equals to 100. So on solving this, we get 7 raised to power 2x plus 7 raised to power 2y equals to 100 minus 2 times 5 equals to 10. So we get 7 raised to power 2x plus 7 raised to power 2y equals to 90. Name this equation 3. Now we have to find the value of 7 raised to power x minus y plus 7 raised to power y minus x. So this can be written as 7 raised to power x over 7 raised to power y plus 7 raised to power y over 7 raised to power x. Now take the LCM, we get 7 raised to power y times 7 raised to power x, and in the numerator we get 7 raised to power x bracket 2 plus 7 raised to power y bracket 2. On solving this we get 7 raised to power 2x plus 7 raised to power 2y divided by 7 raised to power x plus y. If we look at this term carefully, we can get the values of these terms from equation 2 and from equation 3. So substitute the values from equation 2 and 3, we get 90 over 5. On solving this, we get 18. So the value of 7 raised to power x minus y plus 7 raised to power y minus x is 18.